All right, I'm recording. So we're gonna open Triller.
Okay.
And we have that open. We're gonna press the little, plus button down at the bottom.
Yep, got it.
And we're gonna click music video.
Okay.
And at the top, we're gonna pick a song. Let's pick something we can both know the words to. Oh shoot, I should have thought about this quick. Something like a bar song that everybody knows. Sweet Caroline. Let's do Sweet Caroline. All right, so we got Sweet Caroline. Now we're gonna click the button to the right.
Okay.
We got that, okay. Now we're gonna click use, the little plus sign.
Okay.
We're gonna use that song, okay?
Okay.
Once we click that, you can play the song and decide which section of the song you want. So I'm just gonna do it right now. Reaching out. So I'm gonna actually scroll to this part. Okay, so once we got that, we know where we want it. We click film, to the top right.
Oh, yes, okay.
Film, okay, we got film. Now, this is the fun part. Once you have that, you have a couple different options. If you go to the right, you'll see this little time thing. It says normal.
Yeah.
There's 3 buttons. The bottom button says normal. You can click slow, you can click fast, or you can click normal. Now, that's how it's going to film you. So listen, because this sounds a little odd, but it works, right? Normal, you're going to hear the song normally, right?
Okay.
If you put it in fast, it's going to speed you up, but the song is slow, so that when the song plays later as it's recorded, it will be normal and you'll be fast.
Got it.
Makes sense?
Okay.
And other way around, if you do slow, it's going to sound very fast. The song is going to sound fast when you're recording it.
Right.
Right? But you'll then, when it's done, you'll be slow because it'll play it at normal speed. So I hope that makes sense.
Okay,
so
yes.
Here's the deal with this. When you click the button, it's going to count down 3, 2, 1, and then you're going to do your thing, right? It's not going to film your sound, okay? It's just going to film you, okay?
Okay.
So if we click it, all right? I start talking. I start like lip singing, right? Okay, now we got one clip, right? And it'll show the little clip up here, like one little section. Now for me, this is what I do. I do one when I'm like doing my workout. You can do it however you want, right? But this is, I'm just gonna share with you what I do so you know how it works. I do one full clip of me singing along or dancing to the song, right?
Right.
Then I turn the sound down on my phone, and as I'm working out, if there's a move I want, I put it to fast. I just click the button whenever I want the move.
Yep.
So it films the move. And then I do, oh, I want this move. Click. I do the move. I keep my phone like on a tripod the entire time. I never like rewind. I never watch it. I just click it when I want this one move to be filmed, right? If I think the move would look really good slow motion, I'll put it in slow motion, okay? So I don't even listen to the sound at that point. I'm just doing my workout because I'm just trying to stay focused. And now let me tell you something. This has saved me tremendous amount of time, okay? Because I'm going to show you this. I'm going to film you singing to it. Can you hear my song? You probably can't hear it. Hold on. If you can hear this, I put it on fast. Can you hear that? So you see how it's really slow?
Yeah.
Don't sing for it because I'm just gonna film. We're gonna film other people. Wonderful. And film Colleen. She's like doing nothing. All right. So, and it's gonna take longer because you're doing it in fast and slowing down the song. So it's gonna, take longer to blah, 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 right? All right. So that's finished. Okay, and I'll do one more. I'll do it in slow so it's faster. And get it done because I'm going to show you the end product, how I pull it together.
Okay.
And this is something that you can play with and whatever, but it'll get easier as you go. But it really did save me a lot of time. Okay, so now I'm going to film one. See? Like I'm doing it in slow so it sounds faster. And then it's going to stretch it out. Okay, so now I have 3 clips there. Okay, it just pulled that in.
Yep.
Now, this is what I do. I click shuffle.
Okay.
And once, or finish. No, sorry, not finish. Just shuffle. And now it pulled all of these clips together, and it just plays different ones at different point of it recording.
Okay.
So when I press this, it's going to show me this whole. Can you see that? See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so now if you don't like that one, you can click shuffle again. And it'll just do a different one.
Okay.
It doesn't. Another thing. See that? Okay, so let's say I liked most of it, but I just want to change one little clip. I can go to just that clip, click edit video, and as long as the cursor is on just that clip, I can choose one of the other videos for that clip. You know, you can also, from here, you can change what, like, different effects on it. Do you know what I mean? So you can play around with that.
Okay.
But when you're done, you just click done, and you click finish, and then you click post and save. You got to choose a category first. I choose workout and fitness. You can make it private so nobody sees it. You can post and save, right? And then once it's saved, you click download, and it'll download to your pictures.
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
So super simple. And then that's how we have to see download. And then you have a 15-second clip of whatever song you really want. You can lip sync to it. You can dance to it. You can make your shake. You can work out. You can do whatever. It doesn't matter. But that's how you do it. Sound good?
Perfect. Yeah, I'm good.
Awesome. Now I have this goofy little clip of me.
It was great because when you were singing Sweet Caroline, you were going, so good, so good.
Yeah. I'm going to stop recording here so everybody else